Ew, that is a moldy shower. Let's teach you how to re-caulk that. What's up, warriors? Let's go out and grab the right caulk for the job. In this case, I'm using a siliconized sealant because this is a plastic shower surround. Make sure you're just grabbing the right one for your job. And then, Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grab the right tools for the job. In this case, I'm using a flat scraper and a box cutter to remove all of the old caulk, scraping everything off, making sure that I can get all the debris out of here. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit better before we put the new stuff on. The right tool definitely makes the job go smoother. Now let's clean it up. I'm using a white vinegar and water solution, spraying it down. You can also use any other antimicrobial spray if you have mold to remove. Maybe a bleach and water solution would be helpful. Now let's prep our caulk for the job. If you're using a tube of caulk, you're going to want to cut the tip of it off just enough to get a small bead. We want to get some of this caulk to go into the crack that we're caulking. Or maybe you're using one of these single-use ones. Same thing though. A lot of people are going to use a popsicle stick. I don't like it. I'm going to show you why in a second. And then I'm going to show you my secret weapon for a smooth caulk line every single time. And it's cheaper than a popsicle stick. All right, let's spread this out here and check this out. Here's our popsicle stick. Rewind that. Where is all that caulk going? Not in the seam or the gap. That's a problem. My secret weapon, my finger, and a glass of water. We're going to wet our finger, drag it across the surface very smoothly, lightly, almost artistic-like, and we're not going to pull up much, if any, caulk. So all of that's getting into the seam. All we're doing is smoothing it out. The caulk gun is what's getting the caulk into the seam. Check it out. Super easy. Glass of water, your finger, done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and subscribe to Warrior House DIY, where we empower you with skills for life. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.